Hey guys, Sean Dreznin, Dreznin Pappas Commercial Real Estate. I am out here in the beautiful rainy summer afternoon in Dunedin, Florida for one of my newest listings. I'm really excited about this one too. It's a 6-unit property. Just gonna kind of give you some glimpses over my shoulder, and it's a fantastic property across the board. All 2-bedroom units, all concrete block. And the best part about this, in addition to being just an amazing property, is most importantly where we're located at, which I'm going to give you a quick over the shoulder glimpse here. We are on the corner of Skinner and Main Street. So right over my shoulder right there. You can see the waterfront's not too far away, and we've got some great commercial and just some awesome residential. So a quick overview behind me. Feel free to reach out to me, Sean Dreznin, Dreznin Pappas Commercial Real Estate, 941-961-8199. You can email me as well, tritoncre@gmail.com. And you can always text me. Make it a great day. Thanks.